Hey, hi. So this is a project idea called MedQ AI. Basically, this is nothing but a hospital waiting room queue management using AI. So basically, in this purpose system, we are using AI algorithms or deep learning algorithms to organize and to manage the queue of a waiting room. It will automatically detect the persons, newly entered person or previously entered person. Okay, it track the history of the persons and it will allocate the priority and timing, key appointment timing. It will automatically allocate the appointment to every persons which are entering in the room. Okay, so and it is keeping 15-minute difference between every patient in the waiting room. Okay, suppose there is a person who is coming just now, so it will just allocate 15 from current date. It will add 15 minutes and it will allocate a timing to that particular person. Similarly, suppose next person entered, so between a patient one in timing, it will add 15 minutes and it will allocate next appointment timing to the next person. Okay, so in this project we have three different applications, and one is Android application. User can also book appointment for Android application. Okay, and it will allocate the timing accordingly. Suppose there are two persons in the waiting room, and then after that patient is booking some other patient booking the appointment from Android application. So it will just allocate timing accordingly. Okay, and there is a ML toolkit which will from the webcam camera it will detect and allocate the timing. And there's a web application which is showing the real time appointment status. Okay, that can be used in a waiting room CCTV waiting room uh, TV. Okay, and there we can show this waiting room dashboard so patient can check their appointment timing and waiting status. Okay, so let's go for the demo. So first let me show you the Android application. So this is the Android application. First you need to do a registration, normal registration form, and after that once you do done the registration, then you have to go to admin panel to activate the patient account. Okay, then you have to go to admin panel, and in the user report you will get the option to activate the account. Okay, whenever you create a new account, so first you need to activate the account from the admin panel, then you can able to do the login. Suppose I have activated this account and then I can go for login. Okay, and then it will show me the home page. Okay, so I can select the symptoms and I can then put the information and it will automatically allocate the or it will appoint book my appointment. Okay, so and this is a dashboard where you can see the status. Okay, and let me run the ML toolkit. Okay, so this is the ML part. Okay, so first this is the web part. Okay, and let me open the ML part. Just a second. So yeah, so this is the ML code. So let me run the ML code. So once you run the ML code, you either you can provide a recorded video or else you can provide the webcam. So both will it will take and it will track the records. Okay, so I have already one video which I have recorded. Okay, which is nothing but a kind of a demonstration which I'm trying to ठीक है तू जा which is I am basically trying to demonstrate as a waiting room. So I'm considering this is a waiting room. So suppose this is the person who is first sitting on the chair, then second person got sitting. Okay, and then after that third person will come. Okay, so this is the kind of demonstration video you can use. Okay, so then for the providing video, you just need to type V, okay, and here you need to pass the path of your particular video. Okay, so this is the path. So you just need to copy and paste the path. Okay, and then it will automatically take the video and start processing. Okay, so as you can see, it has started the processing. So it will show the one web view. Okay, like this. Okay, so This has started the detection part. Okay, so as of now there is no one. Okay, so in this dashboard it will automatically update the status. Okay, so as you can see someone is entering in the room. Okay, so as you can see it is automatically assigned the ID 1 to the particular patient, and it is also allocating the timing. So it has allocated 12:22, right? So here you can see the live status, the live time left, uh, that can be used as a LCD screen in the waiting room, and patient can check the timing left for the appointment like that. Okay, so here you can see appointment timing is 22 to 20 a.m. Okay, so 13 minutes it claims. Similarly, let me book same time. Let me book some appointment from Android application. Okay, so it should allocate me time as a ID 2. Okay, so let me book the appointment. So as you can see I have booked the appointment from Android application, and it has allocated me time as a 7 or 12:37, right? So as per 22 12:22 will be the appointment, patient 1 appointment, right? After 15 minutes of this will be patient 2 appointment timing. Okay, so it is automatically allocating. Okay, so and which will be closest one, it will allocate, or it will mark as a red. So red. So it will mark it as a red. Okay, so now let's suppose, see, this is the patient 1 which is coming first time, and this is the patient 2 which is booked from Android application. Okay, right? So now patient T is coming. Okay, so it is allocated a time after adding 15 minutes to this patient 2. Okay, because this is booked by, this should have second priority, right? Because it has booked earlier. So this way it is working, and it is also showing the time left and the status bar. So this is a dashboard. It will continuously update the status, and will also show the current time and everything. Okay, so this way it is working. Okay, and for the technology part, we have used Firebase as a database. So everything is integrated with the Firebase and cloud platform. So everything will be interconnected with the Firebase. So it will very quick and fast. Okay, similarly if you go to Android and if you go to appointment section, so here you can able to see key what is your appointment time, book time, and what is the status and everything. Okay, the uh, this is selected and everything. Okay, so as you can see it is showing me the timing. Okay, so yeah, this way it is working. Okay, do let me know in case any doubt or anything. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.